In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Wix editor, switch to preview mode, and copy your site's URL directly from the browser address bar. This is a straightforward process, but I'll make sure to walk you through it step by step so you don't miss a beat. Let's start by opening up your Wix editor. Once you're logged into your Wix account, you'll want to locate your website project from the dashboard. Click on it to enter the editor. At this point, the Wix editor should load, displaying your website in all its customizable glory. The Wix editor offers a multitude of options for tailoring your site to your specific needs, and it might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it with practice. Now that the editor is open, you're going to want to switch over to preview mode. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to see what your website will look like once it's live without any of the editing tools cluttering the view. To do this, look for the preview button. It's usually located at the top right corner of your screen next to the publish button. Once you click it, you'll see the editor transform, providing a clean view of your site, as if it were already on the internet for all your visitors to see. This step is crucial for checking the layout and ensuring that everything looks just right. With your site now in preview mode, the next task is to copy the URL from the browser's address bar. To do this, simply move your cursor to the address bar at the top of your web browser. You should see the full web address of your preview site. Highlight the entire URL by clicking and dragging from the beginning to the end, or you can triple click if that's easier for you. Once it's highlighted, right-click and select Copy from the context menu. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+C on your keyboard if you prefer using shortcuts. This URL is an exact preview link that you can share with collaborators or keep for your own reference to check how things look on the viewer's end. Bear in mind though, that this URL is just a preview and not a live link. Only you and those you share it with, who also have access to your Wix account, will be able to see this version of your site. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to preview your Wix site and grab its URL for further sharing or testing. With these steps, you can confidently ensure that your site looks perfect before officially hitting that big publish button. Thank you for joining me as we walk through these steps today. I hope this guide helped, and I encourage you to explore the other features Wix has to offer to enhance your website.